In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Cloudflare to Cloudways. If you're running a website or application on Cloudways, adding Cloudflare in front of it can help improve performance and add an extra layer of protection. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to connect a free external Cloudflare account to your Cloudways application. Configure the right DNS records, update your name servers, and make sure everything is mapped correctly from end to end. First, open your Cloudways application dashboard. In the applications area, select the website you want to connect. On the access details page, look for the public IP field and copy that address. This is important because Cloudflare needs to know where your origin server is located so it can route traffic to the correct destination. Next, open Cloudflare in a separate tab and log into your account. Choose the option to add a site, then enter your root domain only without adding prefixes like www. Continue to the plan selection screen, choose the free plan, and move forward. Cloudflare will begin scanning your domain for existing DNS records. This scan is helpful, but it's still a good idea to review everything carefully rather than assuming every imported record is correct. When the DNS records appear, remove any old or unnecessary A or C name records that don't match your current setup. Then add a new A record for your root domain. Use the @ symbol in the name field and paste in the Cloudways public IP as the IPv4 address. Make sure the proxy status is turned on so the cloud icon is orange. After that, add a CNAME record for www and point it to your root domain. Turn the proxy on for this record as well, then save it. Once that's done, Cloudflare will provide 2 name servers assigned to your domain. Copy both of them, then go to the account where your domain is registered. In your domain settings, find the name server section and switch from the default setting to custom name servers. Replace the existing entries with the 2 name servers from Cloudflare and save the changes. Keep in mind that name server updates can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 24 hours to fully propagate. Now return to Cloudways, open domain management for your application, add your full domain, save the change, and then set that domain as the primary one. This makes sure your application responds properly when visitors access your custom domain. Finally, do a quick verification pass. In Cloudflare, confirm that your records are proxied with orange cloud icons and that the dashboard shows your site is protected. Then test your domain in a browser and make sure it loads over HTTP